Here is a puppy who got stuck in a cup holder. Good thing the owner helped here with no harm. Another dog here got stuck in a cooking hole. Good thing there's no fire and he's unharmed.
Help me.
Another dog got stuck on a kettle. A puppy who got stuck on a tape. What a cutie puppy, but they got stuck and they need to be helped immediately. Dog got stuck on a wall. There's no way a passerby can't see him. Finally, the rank 1 on dog getting stuck. No other than the husky. What a random place to get stuck. I hope he gets a nice view.